Alrighty guys, YCG here, back with another video, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about just like, the riding season is finally coming upon us. I haven't brought this bike out in literally weeks, and it feels good to be out, but I just haven't had time to be riding. I did start a new detailing, automotive and car detailing, not automotive, car and motorcycle detailing business, so I've been working on that a lot on the back end, so I haven't been like, I've been trying to upload and be consistent as much as possible, but it's definitely difficult. I just polished this up, and there's already a bug splat, so that's sick. But so I did polish this motorcycle, my motorcycle up, put a ceramic on it for like 6 months to 12 months, around there. But yeah, so I've just been working on that a lot. So I've been trying to focus on that. Obviously, I need to focus on YouTube as well, because that is a big part, obviously. But I do hope you guys bear with me, and I've just been figuring all this stuff out. Personal life, back end, business, YouTube, just trying to figure a whole bunch of stuff out. And yeah, so I've just been working on that and trying to get that all figured out. But we're just doing a quick little ride. I needed to ride. It's been a while, so I just needed to get out and freaking ride, bro. But I have been busy. I've been working like 6-7 days a week. I have a normal job, 9 to 5, or more like, yeah, 9 to 5 job, more like 10 to 6, 7-ish, whatever. I do that part-time, and then I have my detailing business now that I do part-time as well. So with advertising, actually doing jobs and clients, stuff like that, looking for people, I have been working a lot. So bear with me. Obviously, I want to try to produce what I can. I have just been uploading reactions, which is not my favorite videos, but weather has been bad. It's finally starting to get nice. I think today's a nice last day for like 2, and then 2 more days it's gonna get ugly all over again. But for like a couple days, and then back to nice. But so I'm just doing this quick little like update, tell you guys what's been going on. It's been difficult. I used to do streaming and stuff like that, but I just can't even just fit it in my schedule anymore. So I just kind of I don't think I'm gonna be streaming anymore. It's not really something that I enjoy or find fun anymore. And I'm not gonna just do something that I don't want to do. So, you know, so streaming is off the table maybe once in a while, but I think I don't play video games, so it's like, it's very difficult. I don't find enjoyment in video games anymore as I used to, and I'd rather just be working on a car or detailing or riding my motorcycle, making content for you guys, or with my car, because I got that for a reason too. So I'm just trying to get everything all figured out. I needed to replace the control arms on my car because the bushings are fucked, and when I take left-hand turns it shakes. It's not a wheel bearing, there's no noise, it literally just shakes the entire car. So I haven't been doing much twisties with that, and I do need to I need to replace the sensor. It's like a stupid sensor, but I didn't feel like paying 50 bucks for. So yeah, that's what's been going on. And then I just been busy, just working a lot. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a small little update. I'll probably talk to you guys more. I'm gonna go do some things, and then I'm gonna be riding back home. So that is my plan. I hope it doesn't start raining. It looks pretty ugly, but it says it's not supposed to rain, so.